Hey guys, here's a train xv18 running. Low stage. I've seen it running at 100% before. It's ramping up. And it's matched up with the xc95M. Hey Drew! Don't know why it ain't ramping up anymore. We'll go see what speed Strong got inside. Let's go see the compressor speed. Monitor that. I don't want to bung the compressor. It's from 2013, I know.
No.
20%. I was guessing 26%.
You like that code?
Yes. And I want to replace ours because it's giving us the Copeland death message.
Who are you looking for? Are you looking for Courtney?
That heat pump pretty much ain't working. It's dead.
With the option to buy.
What?
And if I don't want her, I can walk away. I was just trying to bring her in, and she won't take me anywhere.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yours is dead. You should get that.
Huh?
Yours ain't working from that storm in winter.
Mhm.
And you should get one of these.
Yeah. Ours still works surprisingly.
After that storm happened.
Yeah, it still works.
A lot of times it kills heat pumps.
Yeah. I didn't know that.
Yes.
Spiderweb. No.
I don't move. I don't mind it.
Yeah, that's a house.
Later.